No doubt that false lashes are a full stop at the end of a sentence in a makeup world. They make your makeup look complete. They enhance your makeup look, be it the simplest or the most dramatic. They bring everything together. But having said that, I still feel that false lashes are not everyone's cup of tea, especially not mine. And I know so many people who'd rather have a good mascara on any day than a pair of false lashes. Also, having said that, false lashes really suit well if you are going for special events, parties, weddings, special dinners, or you're having photo shoots, you're going to events, and or are in front of camera filming videos like us. But does that mean that you have to leave your lashes just as they are? No, we have good mascaras that actually do the work so well that they can almost pass as light, those minimalistic false lashes. So which are those 5 mascaras that can actually do the work for you, are hassle-free, they don't take obviously time, they give you fuller lashes and almost give you a false lash effect. So stay tuned in this video to see which are those 5 mascaras that I'm going to share with you. These are obviously my opinions and my experiences. If you have any more to add on to this list, please do let me know in the comments down below. So let's get started with this video. Out of the 5, I have 3 of them here, and I have a 6th one that is, I feel, almost at par with the other 5, but I'll show that later on. Let's start with the first one. The first one is by Maybelline. Now, first of all, they are all affordable. Let me tell you that you can get them at your drugstores. You can get them online. They are very, very affordable. So the first one is by Maybelline. This is the Lash Sensational Mascara. I have to tell that Maybelline makes some of the best mascaras in the drugstore or the affordable category. They have so many mascaras. First of all of them are affordable. This one is, I think, for 500 or 550. It's very affordable, and the results that you get out of the mascara are so good. It has a wand that looks like this. So this is the wand. You can see it's bent. So this way, when you have the wand, you can use for your upper lashes, and then this way you can use, like this way you can use for your upper lashes, and then this way you can use for your lower lashes. So it kind of does the work, and you can see the hair or the what do you call these, the wand, it's quite separated, so the mascara is not clumping anywhere. Again, it gives a really nice effect to the lashes, and it kind of does work for a mascara at a very good level, I must say. Now the next one is also by Maybelline, and sadly it's the one I don't have, but I have used it so much in my life. I think it's my most used mascara. I don't know how many tubes of the mascara I have gone through, and it is the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara. I know it's like a blast from the past. It's like, whoa, that's a forgotten name, because आजकल कोई वो use नहीं करता है शायद, just because we have so many options. But that one is such a good mascara. You have it in 2 variants. You have it in waterproof and the washable variant. I have the photo out here for you guys. It's such a good mascara. Again, like I said, I've used multiple tubes of that mascara. Again, it gives really nice volume. It doesn't clump or it doesn't flake anywhere. The only thing that in the Colossal Volume Express mascara is it doesn't last that long. I mean, its staying power is about 4-5 hours as compared to the Lash Sensational one. This one does last for at least 5 to 7 to 8 hours. So it should take you through the day, but the Colossal one will not be that long lasting, but trust me, it is very good, and I highly recommend it if you are in college. The third mascara is from Color Bar. This is the Color Bar Zoom and Whoosh mascara that looks like this. This one is a little unique, and I'll tell you in a minute. This is what the wand of the Zoom and Whoosh mascara looks like. So you can see it is slightly bent. You can see that's slightly bent, and the brush is a little, like the wand is a little thick as compared to the Lash Sensational one, but it makes application of mascara so easy and so good. Like you can literally go like this, and it actually gives you really nice full volume lashes. And this is the first wand, and it also comes with another wand at the top like this, which is a more thinner and precise wand, as you can see. So this wand you can either use for your separating your lashes, or you can use them for your lower lashes because it's thinner and more precise. So lower lashes में लगाने के लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा effective है ये. I don't think this gets so much talked about as it should on the social media. This is quite an underrated mascara in my opinion, but it is so good. You should definitely check this one out. The fourth mascara is by L'Oreal, and it's the one that I don't have currently with me, but again it's a mascara that I have raved about in so many of my videos in the past, and it is L'Oreal's Million Volume Lashes Mascara. Again, I'll have the photo of it right here. Oh my god, that mascara is totally out of the world. It's such an amazing mascara. It actually gives you million volume lashes, and for someone like me, if you're someone like me who has very, who doesn't have the best lashes in the world, let's get real, so that mascara definitely you should try. It gives you such full lashes, and it's so impressive, especially when it is brand new and you're using it a couple of times. Oh my god, it literally gives you really full lashes, doesn't clump up, doesn't flake, and it also to a certain extent helps to curl your lashes. So does the Lash Sensational one as well. This one also helps you a little bit curl your lashes and give that nice effect, curly effect. So if you curl your lashes and apply them, you will get a double effect. I don't even use a curler because I just freaks me out to bring that curler thing so close to my eyes. I don't know, it just freaks me out. I never like to use that. I never have used it. So if you use a curler and then you use these mascaras, the result will be even more amazing. Speaking of L'Oreal, the fifth mascara is also by them, and this is the newest mascara in my collection, and it's the Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara that looks like this. Now I'm not sure how true this is, but a lot of people say that this is a dupe for the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I don't have that mascara, so I cannot vouch for that fact whether it is a dupe or not, but the packaging is very much just like this only as what I have seen in the photos. This is what the wand looks like. Now you can see this is such a fibrous full wand. It has got a lot of fibers in it, so you can when you apply the mascara, it actually helps to separate each lash, slightly give a curling effect to each lash as well, and it lasts for like ever. This is a waterproof one, so it will definitely take you through the day, and you need an oil-based water makeup remover to remove this mascara. So yes, two mascaras from L'Oreal that I really love are this one and my old time favorite, the Million Volume Lashes one. Check both of these out. I think there's a price difference of 200-300 between the two. So yeah, definitely check them out. And as a complimentary mention, I want to mention this one mascara, which is the sixth one. I think it was the sixth one only it is. This is also by L'Oreal, and this is the False Lash Superstar mascara that looks like this. Now this has two wands, as you can see. This comes with a primer. Now this is, I think, the only mascara that actually comes with a primer wand and a mascara wand. So this is the first wand, which is the primer wand. You can see it is it's a wand that is slightly pinched at the bottom, at the center, and bulged at the tip and the root. So you can see it's slightly pinched in the center, so it's like this, and you apply this to your lashes and you wait a couple of seconds for the primer to set, and then you go with your mascara wand that looks like this. So this is like your curved mascara wand, and you can see the brushes are also very dense, so it actually helps to separate the lashes and all. And when you apply it with the primer, oh my god, the results are amazing again. The best thing about this is the mascara can be used by itself also. It is a very good product, but if you use it with a primer, definitely it elevates the results. And you can also use this primer for some other mascaras which are not so that well performing, or you feel that you need a little bit more of fiber and like a little more volume to your lashes. You can definitely use this primer wand in your and combine it with some other mascaras. For example, you can use it with Lash Sensational, you can use it with the Color Bar one, you can use it with Too Faced one, with Benefit Roller Lash, with any other mascara you can use this primer. So what this primer does is it just adds fibers to your eyelashes to make them look more fuller and more voluminous. So again, an amazing one. So I think that's about it for the mascaras. Again, if you have any new recommendations, you can let me know. I would love to try out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have liked it and found it useful, please do give it a like. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I will see you again in my next video. And yeah, don't forget to click on the notification bell also, so that you know when I have uploaded a brand new video. And that'll be all for today's video. I'll catch you again in my next one. Till then, all of you take care. Bye.